Hello students, your exams are near. My best wishes are with you and hence I am sending you my wishes through these videos so that you can recapitulate all the information whatever we have studied in the class in the form of some questions, some easy tasking questions which makes us always in trouble. So if we will solve these questions, we will get success definitely. And at the end, I have given a question paper. Just solve that question paper. It will make you aware of the third chapter very well, so that at least the basic information you will get it, and you will be able to know yourself how much capable you are to solve the questions from the chapter. So do that. Let's discuss something, a question like this, like question number 24. Just see. When zinc metal is treated with dilute solution of strong acid, a gas evolved which is utilized in hydrogenation of oil. Name the gas evolved. Write the chemical equation of the reaction involved and also write a test to detect the gas formed. So see students, here simply they have said that gas which is utilized or for hydrogenation of oil. Hydrogenation of oil is given in carbon compound chapter, but you don't have that chapter now, means like those portion has been deleted. So you can say that at least you can get to know about that. For hydrogenation of oil, there is one gas utilized, that is called hydrogen. Okay, and we all are very much familiar with that. For the testing of hydrogen, what you need to do, you just have to take out, you have to lit a stick, matchstick, and if a pop sound comes in front of the test tube, if you place it, then it's a hydrogen gas, otherwise it is not. This kind of a diagram you must have observed everywhere for the testing of hydrogen gas, right? Questions students are very easy questions. See here, 2 ml of sodium hydroxide you have is added to few pieces of granulated zinc metal taken in a test tube. When the content are warmed, a gas evolved is bubbled through a soap solution. And before testing, this question students we have discussed while our classes also, but this kind of questions are for those students who are not coming in online classes regularly. So see students, the gas evolved is hydrogen gas. You know that whenever means like sodium hydroxide is a base. When a sodium hydroxide will react with zinc is a metal, you will get what? Salt plus hydrogen gas. So for this you don't have to remember this much, because even an acid react with metal also you get salt plus hydrogen gas, and with the base also same. So now the test is given, the gas is combustible, pop sound will appear, the burning splinter, okay, is brought near the test tube containing the gas. Hydrogen gas is also evolved when zinc reacts with dilute HCl, okay, and it's a strong acid like HCl or H2SO4, okay, fine. So you can see this answer how it is written, and here the reaction is given hydrochloric acid plus zinc, you will get zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas students. Question number 45 students. During electrolysis of brine solution, a gas G is liberated at anode. When the gas G is passed through slaked lime, a compound C is formed, which is used for disinfecting drinking water. Write the formula of G and C. Students, you remember, you will never get direct questions in your exam. Remember that. You will always get indirect questions because you are now enough to understand the patterns, and I am always telling you such questions, so you need to focus such questions, okay? So see students, so you have to find out over here G and C and state the chemical equation involved. What is the common name of compound C? Give its chemical name. So gas G is chlorine and compound C is calcium oxychloride. And we have already discussed such question in the class. So now the second one is state the chemical equation involved. So we know that during a brine solution is what? Salt water. NaCl plus 2H2O, when it reacts in the presence of electricity, you get sodium hydroxide plus chlorine plus hydrogen gas. Sometimes they do ask you the two products which form after the electrolysis, or you can say the chloralkali process. What are they? You can say it's chlorine and hydrogen gas. The third one is, what is the common name of compound C? The common name of compound C is bleaching powder, that is calcium oxychloride. So students, these are the questions which we really need to look after. The questions are same, they twist them in a way that you have to attempt them in a proper way. And if you're not clear with even a little minute doubt you have, you will not able to listen, you will not able to attempt the paper well according to your wish. So I will suggest to you that do all the questions and practice more of it. Any doubt, in case like you unable to understand, you can ask me anytime. I have made these questions. These are the basic questions from chapter 3. So you need to do it, okay? You prepare them well and you can do it in your notebook, okay? I was trying to add as in slide, but it wasn't possible for me. The video I was not able to make, so I'm making like this. So students, you have to do it. You know, these questions have been repeatedly asked in the CBSE board exams. So I hope you will do it honestly. Okay.